kind of. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Miss L here, back again. Welcome to the ordinary lifestyle with Miss L. It's a good morning, but the weather is crazy. It's about to rain, but my body hurts and I need to go for a run. You know that time of the when you're aging and your body controls you, tells you what to do. My body hurts so bad. Now I need to go for a run. I'm not taking a run because now I don't want to be hard on my body, be hard on myself, because I figured that I don't run all the time, and I don't wanna just quickly take a run, because I remember last week I went for a walk. I'm taking walks this day at least once in a week, and my body kind of feels better. Yeah, so it is the first and last Vlogtober, I believe. Yeah, I won't be doing any Vlogtobers because Miss L is kind of busy doing her research. I know it's been so long since I started a YouTube channel, but guys, I'm still getting there. It's so hard. It be the angle, you know, it be the how you edit. It just takes long than it looks, or than it sounds. Like I'm a vlogger, I'm vlogging. It's not easy sometimes. Like for instance, I had a challenge with a space. Like my phone had no space, so I had a delay in dropping my other vlogs, previous vlogs. And besides that, it's just a lot to do, or to cover, shall I say. Yeah, it's not easy, but we're getting there. What can we say? What's another challenge? It's just a lot, guys. It's just a lot. I was busy researching how to add songs on my vlogs without being copyrighted. I'm still not getting it right. And I know there's a free there's a free YouTube songs that you can use, but I don't like the songs, so I might as well sing for myself. Yeah, I don't like the songs that the free editing YouTube songs that you can add that won't copyright you, if that makes sense. I don't like them. So yeah, I'm still busy with that research, and yeah, but I'm getting there now. She's vlogging. Okay guys, I'm going to turn at the traffic lights. I'm gonna flip the phone just now. Y'all see the traffic lights? Yeah, it's a bit far, but we're gonna get there. That's where I'm gonna turn. I took a walk last week. My body felt so better. So now, yeah, and I have a package that I'm waiting for today, from 8 to 10. It's 2 SIM cards from Rain. 2 SIM cards from Rain. I actually upgraded, because at the moment, why this car is just driving so slow, like they wanna watch too much movies, guys. Oh, I think it's Elena or the car. It's like, yeah, I have issues because now they got the hazards lights on. Okay, so now I was talking about the package I'm waiting for. Upgraded, guys. I need to keep checking my background because it's only me today. I think it's because of the weather. It may be cold, but my body says even if it can be cold, you need to go out and just take a walk. Yeah, so I upgraded. It's Rain 5G, that one that gives you 2 SIM cards. I think I was paying $5.29 per month, and this upgradation is still gonna be like few coins. And then I think it's $5.59 2 SIM cards. It's the same router, because I asked them, will it be the same router? They said yes, it's gonna be the same router. The only thing is just that 2 SIM cards, you have to wait for them. It was a bit of a confusion because now I upgraded last week Thursday, and the lady told me like in not last week Thursday, last week Tuesday, and then she said I will have it by Friday, if not Thursday the latest. And I couldn't get it. Then I received SMSs on my phone, emails that I couldn't even understand, even if I was reading them. But now, yeah, so I called the call center and I asked her, when am I getting my package? Getting blocked. And I asked, when am I receiving my package, because I got an SMS. But the SMS, yeah, let me just explain how the SMS was. I know I said I didn't understand, but the SMS was saying, confirm that you've received your package, and I haven't got my package. Mind you, guys, can you believe that to receive those 2 SIM cards, you need to go on, they're gonna SMS you, they're gonna send you an SMS, you're gonna click on that SMS, there's a link on that SMS, you, the customer, have to set up an appointment. When do you want them to drop your SIM cards or your package? Which it didn't happen like that way the last time. The last time it didn't. That was not a process. The last time I was called when I was getting a router. But this time around, I need to click on that text message. It's got a link. It will like give you. I was like, what's that now? That right? So the link will like ask you to choose a day that you want them to deliver. So I chose this day today, and it's like 8 to 10. Have your ID and your 3 months bank statement. Yeah, not 3 months bank statements, a proof of address. I'm saying 3 months bank statement because it's what I'm going to use. Proof of address, not later than 3 months. Which the rain is starting, guys. It's pouring, and yeah. Okay. I'm closer to the traffic lights, guys. I am so close. Yes, girl. As I like it when I'm taking walks or runs, you know. I just like it. I just like it because now, you don't know the magic or the change that brings it on my body. My body will just, not completely, you know, not that everything like, are you making sense, Michelle? Sometimes I won't be even hearing what I'm saying. Okay, later.
Oh, I'm sweating. Finally made it home.
Hey guys, it's moments later. I'm not gonna take a shower. I'm not gonna hop in any bath. Nothing. It's so cold. I'm just gonna wait until at least hours later, maybe 11 p.m. or later. Yeah, it's cold. I want to catch flu. Yeah, guys, the lighting from my kitchen, I don't like it. It's not giving. But what are we gonna do? We're gonna work with what we have, right? And my breakfast is ready. I have Evo and a slice of bread and water. I'm not going to drink coffee or tea, cafe. I'm just staying away from cafe. I hate cafe for a very long time since this winter. So now, well, let's keep it healthy, right? Let me hop on it and wait for my package later. The lighting from the door, the lighting from the window is really helping me, guys. I thought I'm gonna drink water. Yes, I usually drink water, but today it's cold. I just boiled water and just throw in my lemon. Maybe cold. Maybe cold that. It's cold for glass of water. I was like, no, I'm not. I'm not. And babe, babe, what's up? Do you wanna come say hi to the vlog? I was asking him to bring me lemon because I'm out of lemons. Lemons are finished, and babe must. Who is dark in here, guys? My house is dark. Good dark. Good dark. My house is dark, and I asked babe to bring. Babe, I'm gonna bring lemon.
These men belong to the Israeli Army's special forces. They are parachute commandos, elite fighters.
Do you wanna say hi to the vlog?
Tonight, they're leaving to seek confrontation with a Palestinian.
Are you still going to divorce me? I'm just gonna open the curtains, guys, so that you can see babe nice. Oh, Marakis, what's up? But I'll show you. I'll show you when I put it on Sunday. Cause it's why must I show you now? Cause it won't look nice, right? Won't still look nice. What are you watching, babe? Oh, I wear the earbud. I was supposed to be cozy in bed, but because of I am not that girl. I'm not that girl. Look at how he's looking at me. I'm not that girl. Let me close the door. I opened the door so that I can get that nice lighting, you know, from the window and the door. Yeah, guys, let's speak when I show you the package. Hopefully they come and deliver it, because now things have changed. Rain is just summing. Yeah, we're gonna speak, guys. So I am on my way to BP garage. Rain has, the courier just phoned me now and said I'm at Sosol garage. I'm here to deliver your I have a package to deliver to you. Yes. And I'm like, I thought you at my place, because I know if he phones, like if he once he reach by the gate, right, the thingy, the security guard was supposed to call me. Just got a call and he says I'm at Sasol garage, but it's like 5 minutes away, and I'm gonna quickly where is it? This guy said he's driving a black car, right, and his car is white. So I am parking right now. I am at the garage and his door is open. Where am I gonna park? Lona paka hampicho miaka. Haimele bazongibhadala evuma yazi. Yi-rain ne. How are you? They have to pay my money, but my address is on the system. How?
Then why just Sasol?
No, ngihlala soluka nje ngihlala egarage mara ngithela ipetrol. Ngihlala khona la. Kulezi not eSunrock. Lama flat ale phezulu after Sunrock.
And then we are le.
No, yeah mangazi rain. Ngisho system apply ngilelona ngine current thing inabo. How possible they don't know my address?
Ungenzele uzongibhalela igama lakho ID number.
Yo buti. ID do you want an actual ID or you want a copy?
ID do you have?
Yeah,
I'm
buti. Your idea kahle ngwaneso. Ke ele dompas ya gale. I don't have time with the home affairs. Ufe ball pen he. 3 months ke tsere 3 months bank statement ko pa re sebetse fast. Okay ngwaneso, ask is good delay ne. Good delay ne. Where must I write? Received client name, ID?
Your name, ID, signature.
Okay, my name, ID. It's your bank statement. Guys, sometimes I'll be videoing and my videos won't be happening. Okay, they're happening. There is a package. There is a package. Come for cake. 3 months bank statement is over, right?
Huh?
I have a 3 months bank statement. Will be fine.
Give it each.
You feel it, Jonas?
Sharp.
We're not fast. Sharp. See, right, you won't call me again. You want something? I'm going. You'll never see me again. I'm not playing. I'm going. Yo, kabang. Iko ni ndenji. You don't need a copy of ID.
No.
All right, sharp. Bye-bye. Don't call me again. Okay, what's wrong with him? My package. My package. Let me go home. Let me just quickly put my ID in here before I lose it. Put Honda black. This guy is crazy. This Honda is black when he's so, like, it's not even a Honda. No, he said it Polo, on it, but now he says it's black as I'm coming. Yo, I was so like, okay, I'm gonna call this one. This is the way I'm going. Please, I don't wanna bump anything. Yo, kuhlobo. Yabona i-rain today bangiborile nje, I don't wanna lie. Rain, and I was like, but there is something here that I feel like, sorry my darling, but I feel like he's gonna punch my will. So it's just like, and the girl was like, is she moving or what is happening? Okay, let's go home. I went to another garage. There's another garage nearby here. I thought it's like Saswalgandi's hotel, so I had to drive all the way again. But it's not far. Guys, this is how it happens. It's what happens when you don't have a tripod or a car and you're a vlogger like me. Guys, you know what? I'm still battling and suffering. It's on me. Thank God Uche hasn't went out. I had a car to drive. I think it's because of this weather. He's still watching movies. Usually this time he's gone already. So I was lucky in the phone, the one with the better quality, it's full. Hey guys, catch you when I get home. Guys, I'm home now, and here is the package and my SIM card. Yes, sir.
It's been a long day of traveling, and I really don't want to hear your mouth.
Repeat. Fauci.
What are you doing, Otto?
Okay, guys. Later. Gonna install them. Why I keep saying install them, I'm just gonna put them on the two phones and see how they work. And yeah, it's the end of my morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's 2 days later since I got this too. Where's the bin? To fill. Oh my god, look at the mess. And I have 2 water bottles to fill. Follow me. Where's my wallet? There's an ink that just had to mess it up. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Sun is out. I didn't take a run. I didn't take a run. I got this chili here. It was sitting here, guys. So I don't know. Uguti, what is it doing here? Did Uche drink? Did he have a lot of? I don't know. That's what I'm just thinking now. Because I feel like what will be the other reason that the chili is sitting there unless you had a lot of booze and then you just want to chew it, and then so that when you get wherever you are going, they're not gonna smell. Not a smell as such. Not a smell as such. My mom has been buzzing me. I need to get airtime. Here's my bank account is zero. I can't even buy airtime. That's how bad it is.
The pair drove down to Cape Town with the drugs packed into a crate and handed the truck over to Kara in Goodwood. They remained behind while Kara drove away
I'm on
in
my
the
way
direction
to... come on, Miss L. Come on. The noise is too much. You're talking and then your radio is talking now. Like, come on. Okay, guys, I was saying I'm going to ShopRite. I want to have amagwinya, fat cook for breakfast, and usually this time they haven't started. Sorry, sweetheart, my darling. Shame, man, look at him. He was so, but he was running. He's the one who was running. I was not running. I don't know why I like to apologize, like even if I'm not in a fault. The gate is not working again. Okay. Yeah, so I wanted to have amagwinya for breakfast. I'm craving for amagwinya. I'll be holding my cam and driving without no hassle. So yeah, I'm looking, girl. If I crave amagwinya and it's not fishy, please don't come at me. Or even if you're not gonna come at me, obviously not gonna come at me, right? Don't be like, what is happening? Acting like a snob. And I'm one person. If in figure guma snobs, I just know how to be a snob. Don't get me wrong, slobo. Do not judge me. Can be a slay queen for 2 seconds. Unyiwe. Be muhle. Gezing be manzi. Ntwenye. No, I'm not eating. I'm gonna have sushi. Can I have things? Can I have that? Oh no. You understand? So, but that is just seconds. But not originally. I'm a loction girly, kasi girl. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly full. Also, I'm going to the garage to add the petrol, buy petrol, and then go to ShopRite, see if I can get amagwinya, which I'm not gonna get amagwinya, I know. And what else? Oh, this guy at my back would drive fast, yo. This guy at my back is driving so fast. Yeah, so, and then full 2 water bottles. I think in 2 days I'm gonna go to the mall and be able to fill the rest of the bottles, because this garage, I'm a water bottle, guys, are so expensive. Ayatura, you'll see when we get there. Minapela ShopRite, I use 5 rand to fill. If 5 liters, you say vile. It's not about I don't have money. And maybe I don't have it. Who knows? Let me close my doors. See, we're safe, guys. Hey. So yeah. I'm saving. I just, like, if you're a cheapskate, you'll relate to me. You relate to what I'm saying. Like, being a cheapskate is not about you don't have money. It's just about satisfying your feeling. It's an addiction. It's an addiction of saving. If you don't understand, I'll explain to you. But if I don't want to speak fast. There's a time I was watching my vlog. I was speaking so fast, like I put it on the fast forward mode, and I was just speaking fast. And the one thing again, if I speak slowly, I tend to forget what I must say. And if I speak fast, just feel like garage and Sesifikile garage and then I'm burning anything that is empty for me to go. That's why I'm just parking here. Yeah, so what was I saying? Guys, you need to understand, being a YouTuber, you're a pro, what is it called? Producer, action cut. You have to do all those things alone. There's no one who's doing a script for you. I must be thinking of saying what am I gonna say and holding what can you say? It's just a hassle, but we're getting there. Sharp. What was I saying? Come on, go. My mind is all over the place. Oh, talking about the cheapskate. A cheapskate, yes, it's an addiction. It's a feeling of wanting to save. It don't matter whether your wallet is full or what is full. We don't know. Maybe my wallet is empty, or my bank account is empty. We don't know. But I'm just explaining to you. Cheapskate. You understand? So if I save, I feel much better. Yeah. Okay, let's quickly go again. Should I start filling e-petrol or filling e-water bottle? I will see. I smell mabunya lana. Let me start with the water. Let me start with the water. 500 this. Right. Let me fill this, then we'll take the 500 out. Yeah. Awasami kama punya from Memiang. Ngilibe ngijime Shoprite and bavula late kanjani 101. Yeah. Itsina ngilandi imali ke ngizofuna fill ama bottles bengingazi ukuthi what is zaman. And she's on it. Thank you, my darling. Sudah jadi 5 liter money. 5 liters with 22.7, 22.8 months. 5 liters. Then 22 rand 80 cents. Oh, alright, thanks. Then you refill 1 liter is 2.8. Oh, and then the 5 liter refill. I wanted to. That's yeah. Then I 2.8. Okay, thanks. Yeah, boy. I'm going to I-10. Thank you. Thanks. Fed cook. Then 500. Hey, I'm not the way. Now I'm not repeating. All in the plastic. Yeah, thank you so much. I thought I could hold everything, guys. I'm going to count from here so that when I go in, I'll just bring. Wow, seven. I'm doing designer for oh, she'll be turning 4. Yeah, on the 4th. I know. Hence why I'm do you go to the pool alone? When at the pool? I do. Let me just put this. I'm coming just now. Okay. Because I don't recall who I'm down at 4. Is she not? I'm coming. Oh my god. Put the bed on the floor. Oh my god. I'm still refilling. Which ones are it hurts? Hey. Okay. Oh, maybe I never noticed when we were at the pool.
I think I do.
You have my numbers, I have yours as well.
Okay.
I wanted to refill 2, Mara in a tour. Save it, I didn't save it. I don't like to save. You want to save with a flat number?
No. With
the. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, it's a couple of minutes late after washing my water bottle face. I don't like putting a foundation on a dry skin, so I'm still gonna put another water, I believe. So I'm gonna quickly put on them lashes. I put double, yeah, my lashes quickly, and I'm gonna put on my nails. I left them in the kitchen, and I'm holding a tripod that if once I put the cam down, it's just going to fall. Ooh, that's a morning dance and my wig. Ta-da! Okay. And what I'm going to wear, my new sandals and their feet for the morning, because it's not gonna be the day I'm going to the mall. Yeah, it's like 2 days since we spoke. Yes, about what's the SIM card for? It was actually 4G. The review, pardon me. So the review about the rain SIM cards, it was 2 SIM cards and the one for Uche worked. Mine didn't work. I think I didn't I just forgot about it. I forgot about that SIM card, guys. I don't want to lie. I was watching the news, guys. Close the door, noise. 8 o'clock news, yeah. Sun is out. Weather is just nice. Let's look at them lashes. It's popping, guys. I'm with babe. Wanna say hi to the vlog? You know what? I keep saying I'm gonna divorce me because of he doesn't want to be on a vlog and he gets so bored when I'm. Guys, look at them lashes. Michelle, it's just you. Is that really you, girl? Oh, we be popping. We be cute. See. Okay, guys, just few stuff that we needed. Hi guys, things are expensive now. We are gonna go for. He's talking alone. What are you saying, darling?
I'm just taking my bathroom for a minute.
Bedroom eyes. Oh yeah. The shoes, yeah, it's better you buy now that. A shoe now.
Why so strong?
Let's see the name. It's gonna depend on the name. What name is it? Where am I gonna put my friends? Okay, the other day I was that side, guys. Cover, it's going. I don't know. We need some 6-pack or what? I don't know. Kitty wanna say stoked. Say kitty wanna say stoked. People, you're crazy, miss. Oh. Yeah, guys, I'm at tissues last. I'm going to take baby soft. It lasts really like. You know that I like saving, but let's just be honest, guys. Yeah, you something that how much is it? No, I took that brand, right? I took this one. So how am I gonna pay for that other one?
This is gold. Huh? This is gold. It's so expensive. It's more expensive than gold. Which one? What one?
What is the price? So I want to see a price for it.
Give me a little tip for you.
Why didn't you put a price? That's the one. There's a scanner there, you can scan. Oh, this side, yeah. Oh, scanner. The nearest, okay. Yeah, this is scanner. So we are to like why is so not like? But Lippy, Bappy is the one. Can't buy factory case. I think Bappy is the one. Oh, okay, thank you for seeing. It's not working. Here's the other one. Babe doesn't want to be on cam, and you know what? I respect it. Guys, remember when I was telling you from the last vlog that like I am very blessed with discounts. Can you check this out? It says with a free sample, so I got 2.
175.
175. Okay. I got 2, 1 for free. Okay, guys, I might as well end this vlog here because if I tell you how long my clips that I still have, it's just a lot. And then again, just water bottles. And yeah, thank you very much for watching till the end. If you've watched until this time, to this part, this finishing part, honey, you blessed. And I thank you. And I thank you. He is now, he's just being so nice. Yes, I know he doesn't want to be on cam, but he's just being nice now. I thank God. Anyways, guys. Oh, baby. Okay, guys, let me just... Why am I blushing now? Woo! It's the end of the vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. No, I'm not ending the vlog here. No. I'm not. Merry Christmas. I don't want to end the vlog with this cam that I'm using now. The quality is just not giving. And when I get home, I'll see what I'm going to do. Okay, I'll decide, guys. I'm not sure. I'm gonna toss it here by the shop or what. We'll see. Or in the car, because I'm not able to speak now. I'm not free to speak later. We made it home. The bottles. I took 2. The one that he's gonna use at his shop and myself hired. Because I didn't show you my nails, honey, baby. Look at them. It's cute, baby. This is the nails. The color, the length. You know I'm always saying that. Anyways, I'm back home, guys. Guys, things are so expensive. We are doing so shout out to you if you're still buying your groceries, like all of it, like everything at the same time, like boom. Siyakubongela. You are blessed. You are definitely blessed. So it's not just the tissues. These ones, they were like 175. Can you hear that? It's like there's a phone ringing. I thought it's Naderi's phone. I was like, who is calling my girl? She's at school. There's a fly in this house. I hate flies because I opened the door just for better lighting. 175, imagine. But these one they last, guys. Yo, with cheapskate. I'm not doing cheapskating. When it comes to toilet paper, I do not do any cheapskating because, honey, it's gonna last. And this one, 165. Yeah, I think it was probably the same amount when we bought it like months ago. Yeah. So, and this one was 130. Michelle, come on, 132 rands. And this one here came out with the thingy. This stays out with the mini one. You know me, I must say they're always following me in this. And that is all. That is all. And I just added the bread for the lady's lunch box. And there were rolls. There were rolls, which it took how many? I think it took 3 as a lunch. Yeah, and then yesterday I went to buy amaguinya. So this is a plastic for yesterday. Where I had maguinya, she just threw them. The lady likes maguinyas, but I'm just hoping that I'm not gonna have maguinyas today because, honey, my stomach is just talking. It says no. Okay, guys, now I'm finally ending the vlog. The hairstyle is not 100%, sweetheart. It's not 100%, but if you're just a person who doesn't mind taking the unwanted hair, the ends, you can just cut them, then it's not bad. It's not bad. We can work with it. Yeah, it's a very nice hair, and it's not that hot anyways. It looks like, yo, we are she's. I know it's not bad. I'm not complaining compared to the other one that I have. Anyways, if it was the first time watching this vlog, I really appreciate it for you watching until this time, until the end of the vlog. I really appreciate it, guys. And you, my lovers, them Miss L friends, my buddies who's always here, thank you once again. And earlier on I was like, before this part of this vlog today, this morning, when I was, what was I doing? After I washed the water bottles, there's a clip where I was talking about the rain and that other phone memory just got fully a story of my life every single day. So I was gonna say, thought somebody's coming in. What was I saying that time? I was talking about rain. Yes, when you phone them, they don't seem to explain everything. I don't wanna lie. They don't seem to explain anything, like everything. Like, for instance, I call them and then they said you just insert your SIM card and then in 24 hours it's going to work. Mine didn't work. I already explained to you earlier on that I always at home. Maybe that's why, and there's an internet, and maybe that's why I didn't need no data. And the one for Ucho worked for 3 days. I'm not sure, is it because of we sign up in the middle of the month? Could be that, I'm not sure. Yeah, so I'm gonna get it sorted today. I'm gonna call Red and ask them, why is the other SIM card not working? Guys, just trying to show you the lashes, guys. If you check my previous vlogs, guys, I've been battling with putting them eyelashes. But now, and those are double. These are double, guys. These are just double. They're cute. I love them. Okay, yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. Listen, and see you on my next episode. Bye.